We're getting you more details as far as the outrage continues in the Kolkata campus rape horror. Custody of all the accused ends today. Shocking revelations emerging in the SIT probe in Kolkata rape case. An August 2024 letter now accessed by India Today reveals governing body of South Calcutta Law College approving Monojit's appointment as office staff member temporarily. Not just this, two co-accused in this case, Zeb and Pramit, were also known to harass girls on campus. They allegedly recorded videos of harassment and used it to blackmail women. The SIT probe continues. Medical examination of the victim and the accused have been completed. Forensic examination of crime scene has been completed. BJP fact-finding committee alleges systematic pattern of crimes against women in Bengal, also reiterating claim that TMC was shielding the key accused, Monojit, in this case. Meanwhile, Bengal government lashed out at TMC for politicizing a sensitive matter, also claiming the accused was long ago disowned by the party.
ये फैक्ट फाइंडिंग कमेटी, ये बिप्लब देव जो त्रिपुरा से आया है, वो ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड देखिए ना, वो जब चीफ मिनिस्टर थे, अभी जब भाजपा का जो गवर्नमेंट है, कितना लंबा लिस्ट हो जाएगा क्राइम अगेंस्ट वीमेन। तो ये लोग नोटंकी करने इधर आया है, जहां पे पुलिस एक्शन ले लिया। कस्बा की जो इंसिडेंट है, हम लोग कॉन्डेम किया, चीफ मिनिस्टर है यहाँ पे, पुलिस एक्शन ले लिया, अरेस्ट हो गया, इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, विक्टिम फैमिली का पूरा ट्रस्ट है पुलिस का ऊपर, तो वो लोग यहाँ पर नाटक करने के लिए आया है।
इस प्रदेश की एक अनियमितता ये रही है कि यहाँ पर जो अपराधीकरण है वो राजनीति का हो गया है और उन अपराधियों को शरण दी जाती है राजनीति के द्वारा और उस शरण के माध्यम से उन सबके अपॉइंटमेंट किए जा रहे हैं कॉलेजेस के अंदर और उसी एक्सेस का इस्तेमाल करते हुए वो इस तरीके की दुर्घटनाएं में शामिल हो रहे हैं और इस प्रकार का दुर्व्यवहार हमारी बच्चियों के साथ हो रहा है। तो इसमें जो आपको समझना होगा वो ये समझना होगा कि पूरा जो राजनीतिक सिस्टम है वो ब्रेकडाउन कर गया है और उस ब्रेकडाउन का जो खामियाजा है वो जनता को भुगतना पड़ रहा है।
महिलाएं पूरी तरह से असुरक्षित हैं, सामान्य आदमी असुरक्षित हैं, गुंडों को प्रोटेक्शन मिलता है, पूरी तरह से गवर्नेंस जो है फेल हो चुकी है और जिस प्रकार से हम लोगों ने पुलिस कमिश्नर को भी ये सजेशन दिया है कि लोगों की शिकायत है कि एफआईआर रजिस्टर नहीं होती है, कम से कम महिलाओं का जो भी कोई केस है, महिला के ऊपर कोई राजनीति नहीं होना चाहिए, किसी प्रेशर में नहीं आना चाहिए, उनका फ्री एफआईआर होना चाहिए, ईमानदारी से उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए।
उसके इतना रिकॉर्ड खराब है, सिलोतानी का केस है, मर्डर, उसके मारपीट का आसामी है, ड्रग्स का आसामी है, पुलिस के साथ मारपीट करने का वो आसामी है। उस व्यक्ति को कैसे आपने वहाँ दे दिया? इसलिए नॉन बेलेबल, मैं तो बोल ही रहा हूँ, नॉन बेलेबल सेक्शन रहने के बावजूद भी उसको बेल मिल जाता है। तृणमूल के बड़े बड़े नेताओं के साथ उसका संबंध है और छात्र परिषद में सेक्रेटरी है, तो स्वाभाविक तौर पे ये लोग ये स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड रेप, स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को तो डाउन ये खुद किया जाता है।
ये फैक्ट फाइंडिंग कमेटी इसीलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने बनाई ताकि सच्चाई लोगों के सामने आ सके। पुलिस तो गंभीर से गंभीर संगीन अपराधों को अब इतिहास रहा है कि हशप करती है, एविडेंस जो है सो डिस्ट्रॉय कर देती है, डिमोलिश कर देती है। तो अब देखिए पुलिस ने हम लोगों को कोऑपरेट नहीं किया, हम लोगों को कॉलेज में इंटर करने का पूरा तरह मौका नहीं दिया, पीड़िता से मिलने का मौका नहीं दिया, उनके परिजनों से मिलने का मौका नहीं दिया। लेकिन जो कुछ हमने कलेक्ट किया है वो रिपोर्ट हम देंगे अपनी पार्टी।
फैक्ट फाइंडिंग कैंप कमेटी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहा है, वो लोग अपनी जो अनुभूति मिला है वो बोल देगा, उनको बोलने दीजिए। मैं तो कर रहा हूँ, हमारी स्टेट में कोई बेटी, कोई कन्या सुरक्षित नहीं है।
Go straight across to Tapas and Gupta for more details on that story. Tapas, details emerging which obviously would require the TMC to do some serious answering here. The very fact that this man was a habitual offender but was in spite of that allowed to in fact take up work at the college itself speaks volumes of how he was constantly supported by the TMC, isn't it? Tell us, what are they saying in their defense at this point in time?
Well, see, as you said, Sneha, the kind of evidences that coming in speaks for itself, and it speaks volumes. And in the first place, yes, Ashok Dev, who happens to be the governing body chairperson of the college, also happens to be the chairperson of other 4 to 5 colleges in Kolkata and in the suburban areas. And as the vice principal of record stated that in multiple cases it so happened that it was the intervention of the chairman through which different employment recruitment would happen in the college, and the GB or the college authorities barely had any thing to do in that. And now a suggestion has come from the education department, and I quote that Madam steps to be considered by GB of your college. This is from the government to the college authorities. Now it has come out that dismissal of Monojit Mishra. They have recommended dismissal of Monojit Mishra from the college. Rusticate other 2 students arrested for alleged gang rape. Number 3, issuance of show cause notice to the security agency as to why they be not blacklisted for deficiency in service. 4, meeting with the ICC. 5, enforce no entry to outsiders. Number 6 is vacate premises after office hours. And number 7, assess fresh requirements, if any, of the CCTV. The larger question remains that why these steps or recommendations coming from the government to the college authorities at a time when this heinous crime have already taken place. This is not perhaps for the first time. We had seen similar incidents in Arjikor, where the government had recommended several measures and assured that there will be safety and security protocols in place in other institutions as well. But despite that, we had seen that such a huge college, only 3 CCTV was functional, and fresh CCTVs were only installed last couple of days back when this incident came into limelight, and these 3 persons were arrested. As of now, 3 persons, the 3 accused persons, will be produced in the court today, along with the security guard who was also arrested later on. 4 of them would be produced in the court. It remains to be seen that what submission does police put in front of the court, whether or not police would seek for further police custody or they will be sent for a judicial custody. All eyes on that at this moment. But yes, investigation have taken its pace, and Kolkata police claims that they are leaving no stone unturned to bring all perpetrators to books. But as we speak, yesterday, the vice principal's statement was also recorded by the police authorities, and other students' alibis were also recorded, and police is now tallying the CCTV footages with the statements of other students and also the accused. They are corroborating those evidences, and sources say that whatever complaint the victim girl has made in front of police matches with the CCTV footage and also with the statement of some other students, and to some extent the accused have also given similar kind of a statement. So the dots are being connected as of now.
Yes, sir.
But again, at this moment, investigation is on one side and political drama is on the other side. But the larger question everybody is asking, that why these punitive measures were not taken in the first place, so that this kind of incident could have been well avoided.
Would have this not been avoided? In fact, we've seen victim shaming as well already. India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai spoke to Bengal Minister Shashi Panja on the Kolkata rape horror and the kind of politics that is happening around it. Listen in.
Last year it was RG Kar in Kolkata, a government hospital where a rape and a murder of the young woman takes place. This year it is another horrific rape that takes place inside a government law campus. Would you concede that this is hugely embarrassing for a government run by a woman chief minister? Dare I say any chief minister, but particularly a woman chief minister in a state like West Bengal?
Yes, of course, we are very aggrieved about this, and it's really heartbreaking. It's painful, and of course, we are not putting anything, we are not defending ourselves. It is just that we are trying to put things on record, and it's good that Kolkata police swung into action. It was swift and decisive, and within 12 hours of receiving the complaint, they could be nabbed and they are in police custody. The investigation is on. As of now, almost 4 of them have been arrested, and the 9-member SIT has been formed, and we are extremely serious about this.
But ma'am, are you aggrieved or embarrassed? Just a minute, ma'am. Are you aggrieved or embarrassed at the end of the day?
No, we are aggrieved.
I mean, at the end of the day, here is a case in this particular instance where the individual who's the main accused, Monojit Mishra, is someone who was a member of your Trinamool Chhatra Parishad. There are photographs of him with your leaders. There are posters of him in the college, one of which also had Abhishek Banerjee and Mamta Banerjee in the background while he's addressing students. So here is someone whom the BJP is saying is directly connected, was protected in a way by the Trinamool and therefore could carry out an act like this with impunity inside a college campus.
No, there was also a time in 2018 when he was expelled. And even if you see the last 2022 committee, because there have been no elections even after that, in fact, even during COVID and after, even the 2022 committee, which was just a temporary committee, does not have his name on it. Nevertheless, he has continued to, brazenly say that he was associated with Trinamool Congress, which I think is one of the fallout, or I would say, people try to associate themselves with the ruling party. We are absolutely disgusted with him, and I think we have disowned him long time back, and he was not in the committee. He should.
Ma'am, you're
such
saying,
kind of precedents as the
you're saying
facts are unfolding. It's absolutely shocking.
Ma'am, you're saying you've disowned him in 2018.
I'll tell you what.
Truth of the matter, Shashi, just a minute, ma'am. Truth of the matter is that since 2013, there are serial offences listed against him. Here is someone clearly who was someone who should have been isolated a long time ago, and yet from 2013 he carried on till 2018 and then comes back to the college as a contractual employee. How was such a person with who's a serial offender allowed to re-enter a college? There will be therefore questions, was he in some way the beneficiary of political patronage?
No, I don't think, you should blame that there was political patronage and he was brought here. I mean, this is a very uncomfortable situation truly that we are in, and we are absolutely, the party is also looking into in detail with the students' wing, and this should not be the kind of mentality that our student members, for that matter, because he was just maybe an ordinary member too, should have. This is not the mentality. It's very difficult to predict what kind of a mentality one will have in future, but in the beginning everybody tries to be with the ruling party and the ruling organization.
Ma'am, he's a serial offender. Shashi Panjaji, with due regard, he's a serial offender. How does a serial offender become someone who apparently was virtually controlling a college campus in South Kolkata? He was obviously flouting his political connections.
No, this is all that he has self-assumed, that he has assumed himself that I am a leader or something like that. There was no patronage for this.
Kolkata rape horror takes a political twist with accused seen with top TMC leaders, FIR under scanner and accused batchmate claiming Monojit's past sex crimes and how he got away with it due to its political clout. Is justice being manipulated? Take a look at this detailed report.
Even as the probe deepens into the horrific Kolkata rape case, shocking new revelations are sparking outrage across Bengal. Shockingly, a former batchmate of accused Monojit Mishra told India Today that he had multiple charges of misconduct involving female students and used his political clout to silence the victims.
2018 तक उसका जो हरकत था, ये मतलब क्या बोले, मोलेस्टेशन से लेके मारपीट से लेके पैसा कोरी का एक्सटॉर्शन से लेके इतना हरकत था, तो 18 में हम लोगों ने फिर से हिम्मत जुटाया, उसको फिर से हम लोग निकाल दिया. आज जैसा सुनने को आ रहा है कि इस विक्टिम की वीडियो करके रखी है, उस टाइम भी उसने उस विक्टिम की वीडियो की थी. गवर्निंग बॉडी ने उसको बोल दिया था लास्ट टाइम में, जब 2019 का बाद में बोलो तुमसे पढ़ाई करोगे, नहीं तो अदरवाइज तुमको सस्पेंड कर दिया जाएगा.
Very unfortunate, and Our Trinamool Congress Chhatra Parishad wing president did say that after 2022, he was not even part of the committee in that law college. If anything has happened in the past, I think, I guess this is something which should not have happened. The police has taken action. Even these things are unfolding now. We are coming to know all this.
The BJP has come out all guns blazing, alleging direct links between the accused and the ruling Trinamool Congress. The party has released photos of main accused Monojit Mishra with TMC heavyweight Abhishek Banerjee and Minister Chandrima Bhattacharya, and documents showing accused Zeb Ahmed with low scores making it to the South Calcutta Law College merit list.
Zeb Ahmed, who scored 2634. This was his rank for the admission. This is the merit-wise list of all the candidates. Now, what the BJP is claiming is that despite scoring low and getting a mere rank of 2634, he was allowed admission in the institution, whereas other students who scored far better than what Zeb Ahmed had scored, they were still not allowed admission in the educational institutions.
A video showing Monojit leading a TMC rally shouting party slogans has also surfaced.
वो लोग टीएमसी का आदमी है, कैसे मतलब सुरक्षा गार्ड भी तो टीएमसी का आदमी है. कोई एग्जाम देकर नौकरी मिला, पार्टी कैडर इसलिए नौकरी. यहाँ पूरा स्टेट में पिछले 14 साल में कोई परमानेंट नौकरी नहीं हुआ. सब कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल कैजुअल एम्प्लॉय किया. वो पार्टी जो लिस्ट दिया उसमें ही हुआ.
The BJP is alleging manipulation in the FIR with initials of the accused mismatched. J for Monojit, M for Zeb, P for Pramit. Is this just another case of sexual violence or a chilling glimpse into how power, politics and privilege can crush justice before it even begins? With Rajesh Shah and Taposh Sengupta in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.